Okay, welcome again. Now we'll see about the client. So how do you download it? So you can download it on Windows 10, Windows 8, Windows 7, 32 or 64 byte, Windows 7 2016 and all these server, and Mac OS 10 or later. Android, iPhone, and Windows 7. The network usage. Remember that really this is very important because this is a tips to avoid this spike of bandwidth user using is to enable the OneDrive file on demand. Remember, you go here, you can set it by group policy if you want, setting, and here you have your file on demand. Sync. The OneDrive allow you to sync your document so you can access offline your data. Okay, so and also the sync is to take document on the drive, copy it on your PC, and vice versa, take document on your PC and copy it to the drive. To do that, be aware about some restriction. First, you can synchronize files up to 15 gig in any SharePoint library. You can synchronize up to 300,000 items in total across all library. The folder name and the file name combination can contain up to 400 characters. Restricted character in file name in OneDrive and SharePoint are, you cannot use this character, of course. And of course, you cannot give a name like con, parent, ox, com1, and it's impossible. And file open application cannot be downloaded, of course. Migration. So, when you have a lot of documents in your company on-premise and you want to send them to OneDrive for business, you must have some question. First question, what is the total size of all the files you want to migrate? Remember that SharePoint Online has a limit on the available capacity per seat collection. How many files will be migrated? You can migrate to 30 million documents, but the best practice is to synchronize not more than 300,000 by library in your library. What are the largest file size? It's 15 gig. If you cannot have more than that, you must have other solution to migrate them. And what is the maximum length of the path is 400 characters. So let's see now all the tools to do migration. Okay, so in SharePoint, you have migration here. The first thing is to install the agent file. This is a preview, and you install it on your on-premise filer, and he will do all the work and send it to the cloud. The second one is the SPMT, SharePoint Migration Tool. And after, you can do it with Init, Google Drive, Dropbox. So if you have all this, you can use a new partner is Mover, okay? It was acquired by Microsoft. So that's a good startup, okay? Fantastic. With the Mover, you can migrate now, okay? And you can, migrate all what you have. This is a very powerful software that can move all to Office 365. And of course, you have also, if you have Azure, your Azure import and import services. And how is it working? Is that automatically Microsoft, for example, will send you this box. It's a big box. So you order it. They will ship it to your organization by FedEx, DHL, I don't know which company. You fill it, connect a cable here, you return it, and Azure will take it and, of course, download your document. You have, of course, this sort of solution, Databox, Databox Heavy, and Databox Edge, and Google has also this solution, of course. Everybody, and Amazon also has this solution. Okay, so if you go type Amazon box, no, not this. What's the name of Amazon? It's Databox. Oh, Snowball, maybe Snowball. Sorry. So Snowball, you have this one. This is a Snowball. Okay. You can have also the trucks who come in your company, trucks. And wow, this is amazing. This was at a show, okay, here that that Amazon Web Services, and the truck is coming. Oh, you have this, okay, you can connect everything here, and after you send it back to Amazon, or they have all this solution for that. Okay, the client, how to install the client. You can install it by SSM, Intune, Autopilot. So OneDrive silent and upgrade. This is the, of course, the parameter. And by group policies, you go on a client where you install OneDrive. You go here and you copy the ADMX, ADML on your AD domain controller. And here is all the policies that you can apply. Okay, so something which is very interesting is multi-geo. Multi-geo is set up, used to do it with SharePoint. It's enable business multinational with one or more location to extend the Office 365 location to meet data residency requirements. So in OneDrive multi-geo configuration, your Office 365 client consists of a central location, also called a default location, and one or more satellite geography location. A single client is deployed in one or more geolocation. Customer information, including geolocation, is managed in Azure AD. This storage, okay, so remember that you can do it with the admin or with SharePoint for everybody here, or you can do it for one user identity here. User OneDrive URL details and storage code type. This is for OneDrive URL. Okay, so that's it. We just finished all about OneDrive and Microsoft Teams. So very happy to have you on this. So SharePoint, sorry, and so Teams and OneDrive. That's it. So bye bye everybody. Ciao.